Okay, there is an example now on logarithmic approximation. So we are going to now do the last example, a short video on this example where we are going to find the approximate value of log of 998 to the base 10. We are going to find the approximate value of the logarithmic function. Okay, approximate value at a point in the logarithmic function. Now, before we go ahead with this, a short reminder of something called as change of Bayes law. So by change of Bayes law, log of a to the base b is equal to log a to the base c upon log b to the base c, where c has to be between 0 and infinity. It cannot be equal to 1. C has to be greater than 0. That all conditions of those base requirements of base will be met by c, then only you can put c there. But instead of c, if I put c as a, I get this law as log a to the base b as log of a to the base a, and log of a to the base a is going to be 1. So I get log of a to the base a, where log of a to the base a is 1 upon log of b to the base a. So that is the reciprocal, which we can say this is the reciprocal law in logarithms, where log of a to the base b can be written as 1 by log of b to the base a. Instead of c, we can put a. We get a to the base a as 1. So log of a to the base b is log of a to the base a, which is 1 upon log of b to the base a. So log of a to the base b is b to the base a. Here it becomes a to the base a as 1. Okay, so this is what you will be needing. Let us see where. Okay, so as we did in the previous examples, first step will be of identifying the function. The function will be log x to the base 10. Okay, again, while finding the derivative, you will have f dash x as, you will have to write this as by change of Bayes law, log x to the base e upon log 10 to the base e. If it is base e, we generally don't mention that. It is understood by default in maths that it is log without the base means it is base e. Okay, then I differentiate this. What I get is 1 by x log 10. Okay, 1 by x log 10. It is 1 by x log 10 to the base e, I would say. But that is what we are seeing here. 10 to the base e, and data is e to the base 10. We have 10 to the base e, data is e to the base 10. Check. 1 by log b to the base a can be written as log of a to the base b. So this becomes 1 by x into log 10 to the base e, can be written up in the numerator as e to the base 10. So 10 to the base e can be written as log e to the base 10, and that is where we are going to use the data given to us. So f dash x becomes actually 0.4343 upon x. Okay, so that is what we are going to, that is where we are going to use this law. This is called as change of Bayes law. If we put c as a, we see the change of Bayes law reciprocal in change of Bayes law. A to the base b is reciprocal of b to the base a. So log b to the base a का reciprocal log of a to the base e b बन जाता है. वैसे log 10 to the base e का reciprocal अगर लेंगे तो log e to the base 10 हो जाएगा. Okay, and then you can put 0.4343, that is the value given to us. Okay, now what will be a? A will be something which we can easily evaluate. So close to 998 there is 1000, जिसका log हम लोग को easily मिलेगा. H will be -2. According to the formula is f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h f dash a. So I'm going to get f of 1000 minus 2 as approximately equal to f of 1000 minus 2 f dash 1000. Okay, now f of 998, 1000 minus 2 obviously means 998, is approximately equal to f of 1000, right, minus 2 times f dash 1000. And we know that f of x is log x to the base 10 and f dash x is 0.4343 upon x. So time to use the function. So I get log 998 to the base 10 as approximately equal to log of 1000 to the base 10 minus twice. We are going to get 0.4343 upon 1000. 0.4343 upon 1000 we are going to get. Yes, यहाँ पे 1000 डालना है. To find out f of a, to find out f of 1000, यहाँ पे 1000 डालना है. फिर यहाँ पे 1000 डालना है to find f dash 1000. I hope you are understanding this, right? So by this, then I come to the conclusion that log of 998 to the base 10, we are going to get log of 998 to the base 10 as approximately equal to, यहाँ पे 1000 to the base 10 है. Now 1000 is 10 cube. So directly हम लोग उससे बोल सकते हैं कि power when 1000 is written in terms of 10 is 3. So log of 1000 to the base 10 is going to be 3. So यहाँ पे 3 आ जाएगा. Minus we are going to get 0.8686 upon 1000. So that is 10 raised to minus 3. We have 3 minus 0.000866. Okay, that is what we are going to get when we are dividing by 1000. 10 raised to minus 3. 3 places और shift हो जाएगा, 3 zeros और आ जाएगा, 3 places और shift हो जाएगा to the right या फिर decimal to the left. Okay, and then you can carry out this subtraction. We can carry out this subtraction. The subtraction will be 3.000. Then we are going to have 4 more zeros. From that I need to subtract 0.000866, right? Subtract करेंगे हम लोग, and after subtraction we are going to get, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 2, 10, 9, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, कंटिन्यू करेंगे 10, 4, 1, 3, 1, 9, 9, 9.2, 2.991314. That should be the approximate value. That is the final answer. Okay, so that is how we are going to calculate. That is how we are going to use this data given to us, log e to the base 10. I repeat, fx log x to the base 10 हो जाएगा. हम लोग को change of base law दिया है. Change of base law, here also I have explained what change of base law is and how we can use it to take the reciprocal. Okay, and that we are going to use in the sum also. So यहाँ पे log 10 to the base e है, वो बन जाता है log e to the base 10, which can be put as 0.4343. So we have 0.4343 upon 1000 when we are finding approximation. Okay, so we have f of 1000 minus 2 upon f dash minus 2 into f dash 1000, and then we get the value of f dash 1000 as 0.4343 upon 1000, and we multiply 2 to that, we get this, and we get up to 7 places the approximate value. Okay, that is how we are going to do this sum. Yeah. So this was the final example, approximation in logarithmic function.